like this.
You get crazy light pictures.
I love crazy light pictures. See? Ready, 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 ready. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Shake it, shake it, shake it. This will add to my light.
Okay, that's a pretty amazing one.
Do like weird like lines and
I'm
stuff.
actually taking good pictures.
Oh, well, that's boring. Who does that? No one. Processing. Okay, let's get it off that.
I love it.
Oh, it got it right before they... I like the ones that explode.
This one's a boring.
Yeah. There's no good ones. There's just... There's lots of people being in awe. These are ugly. These are ugly pictures. Oh, I missed it.
It won't be that
Yeah, well, my camera was loading.
Over-exaggerated.
Well, it was like taking the picture. Yeah, if I put it on multiple pictures. On skates fell. Oh. Ready? 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 Is it? I want to get a sweet light picture of it. Oh, did you see those? They like spin. They're sparkly. I like those ones because they look like sparkles. I feel like half of these pictures won't look good.
No, half of them won't be good.
I'll be like, oh wow.
You have a whole shitload of these ones. I'm pretty sure I was just taking the 40 pictures.
Yeah. I still have 1,742 pictures left.
April has a small child and a very high medication.
Nice. How many?
I think it's only like 300.
Let's see how many. Is there left?
They should only take 400 though. Or like 450. And they took it off.
Explode!
I know, I want you to explode in it.
Do you live in the neighborhood?
Calling it. It's really loud if you're some old person trying to sleep. I do.
I like this one.
I think of everyone. I missed that. It was loading the crappy picture I just took. Oh! seconds! Are you kidding me? Camera!
That was fast. I just got to this one. Right. Really? That one looks cool.
Oh, I got the best picture of that! Oh, I missed the second one.
Those ones that go really fast is really hard to catch.
Oh.
Ah, come on.
Dang it!
The camera's freezing.
How else are you taking so many?
No, the camera's getting cold. So it's starting, the circuits are starting to freeze up.
Nice. Oh.
I'm waiting for the system explosions here.
Deck is a little more. That was
Oh,
cool.
I couldn't get it. I want mid-explosion. Just mid-explosion. There we go.
Steal that. Oh, wait, you're getting a new one, right?
The new one is $2,500.
Oh, so you're not really getting it.
No, I'm going to get it once I get a job. I'm going to go shoot it.
So you should steal that one.
I'm going to take mine.
Did you get some good pictures?
I took like